So I'm a composter. I like to compost this stuff, even this leftover peach residue. Let's throw that in the compost. And I'll show you what I do with pits in the compost in case you're interested. Oh, we have another little friend out here. And another one. I don't know why all the cats come to my house. Alright. It's my garden this year, well, part of it. So here you can see my compost, and it's interesting because I got all these things that have volunteer grown out of it. Throw that stuff on there. And for the pits, I like to throw them somewhere separate. I've been throwing them here. You can see some in there. And these saplings that you see growing out of there are actually peach trees. Which is quite amazing. Didn't know you can grow them from seeds, so sometimes I take them out of there and put them in their own pot, like that guy. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. Maybe I'll make like an orchard someday, who knows.